This is Jimmy, a fellow student. Due to this pandemic, schools are following the online study module. Jimmy is also taking online classes and he is solely dependent on his devices. But last week he accidentally broke the screen glass of his phone. It became hard for him to continue his study. This broken screen glass could hardly allow him to read texts or to join video calls. So, he immediately looked for a repair store for cheap phone screen repair in Glendora. He found out about iTech Xpress, a reliable and reputable repair store. He also got to know that they have their own stock of genuine device parts. iTech Xpress offers super fast device repair service at a cheap cost. Besides, they offer a specific guarantee on repaired devices. Their technicians are professionally trained and they can detect the issues fast. Without wasting any time, Jimmy contacted iTech Xpress and handed over his phone. Within a few days, he got his repaired device back and he thanked them. Do you also want a cheap screen repair, Glendora? Then contact iTech Xpress at 626-777-4747. You can also visit their website https://xpressinc.com/.